So hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to solve an interesting Google Girl Hackathon OA problem. It was asked 2 to 3 days ago. There were two problems asked. We are going to discuss problem number two, which was harder one. The easier one we will discuss in some other session. For the harder problem also, I'm going to discuss both the versions because we don't know the exact constraints because we don't have all the images of that particular problem. But the good thing is in discussing the solution to both the versions, you are going to learn a very important hashing concept and then you are going to learn a very important greedy concept, and both of these concepts are used in way too many problems. So this session is going to help you a lot in your OA and even in your interviews, specifically if it's a Google interview. Anyways guys, so before starting the session and everything, I want to clear up some prerequisite and I want to discuss some concept. Okay guys, that concept is range update concept. Okay, I want everyone's focus when I'm discussing the range update concept. So guys, what is the range update concept? Nothing much. You are given an array. Let's assume you are given an array. Just a second. Yeah, let's assume you are given a guys, just read this question for some time. Read this question for some time. Giving 1 minute for everyone to read the question. Read it. Hmm. Guys, if you all are done reading the question, start writing yes in the chat. Yeah, good, good, good. Good, nice, great. So, guys, the question is saying that you are given an array and the array is filled with zeros. Okay, all zeros are there. You are given q queries. For each query, you need to add one from L to R range of the array. Okay, and then you have to print the final array after all the queries are performed. Okay, so they are basically saying, say you are given an array of, mm, let's say you are given an array of size 5 and there are only zeros in the array. There are only zeros in the array. Okay, there are only zeros in the array, and say you are given two queries. Okay, two queries in the form of L and R format. So query number 1 and query number 2 you are given. Okay, what is the query number 1? Query number 1 is from index 1 to index 5, and query number 2 is, say, index 3 to index 5. Okay, so for the first query, you need to add one from index 1 to index 5. So guys, can anyone write in the chat how will the array look after adding one from index 1 to index 5? Start writing very quick. I don't have time. Start writing quick. We cannot discuss the easy stuff for so long. Wrong, Sunil. Dikshit correct. Priyanshi correct. Muskan correct. All, if you add one, though it will become all one, na? Guys, at least pay basic attention in your life, right? It's very much important that you know that if you add 1 to all the zeros, all will become 1. So now the array will look like this: 1 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. Okay, that's what happens, Sunil, when you don't attend sessions regularly. Anyways guys, this is clear, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now the array looks like this. Now the second query is add 1 from 3 to 5. Guys, how will the final array look if you add 1 from 3 to 5? Write quickly in the chat and don't waste any time. Write quickly in the chat. Correct, 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 correct. Sunil, you again wrote the wrong answer. Rito, correct. Noel, you wrote the wrong answer in the chat. You have to add one on this array only, the updated array. So it will be 1, 1, and 1 is added here, na 2, 2, 2. Okay, guys. So the final array will look like 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2. Clear, guys? Is this much clear to everyone? Start writing yes in the chat. And till then, I'm just writing a basic. Say your n was 5, and your array will always look like this. Okay, and your queries are as follows. What were your queries? Your queries were first 1 to 5, then it was 3 to 5. So how the answer would look, guys? How the answer would look? How the answer would look? It would look like something like this. So first one, 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 one. Then after the second query, it would look like one, one, two, two, two. So that's how it would look like, and this would be your final answer. Okay, guys. So, guys, is the understanding of question clear to nah, range 3 to 5 means from 3 to 5. Okay, we are not considering some programming language here. Try to understand the normal English words only. We are not talking about Python here. Guys, if the understanding of question is clear to everyone, all 65 people write yes in the chat. Is the understanding clear, guys? I am, guys, I have thought a lot before discussing this question. मैं चाहता तो डायरेक्ट वो करा देता गूगल गर्ल का, पर मुझे पता है ये कॉन्सेप्ट नीडेड है, इसलिए मैं ये पहले पढ़ा रहा हूँ. ठीक है ना? गुड. ग्रेट. गुड गाइज. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद द क्वेश्चन. हाँ, नहीं है तो राइट नो इन द चैट. आई होप everyone is clear. Thank you for so many yeses. Good, great. So, guys, the question is very simple. You are given a large array of size n, and you are given q queries. For each query, you need to add a 1 from L to R range of the array. Once you have added all the ones, print the final array after all the queries are performed. That's it. So, guys, what will be the brute force solution? Let's think about it. What you can do, guys, you are given particular queries, right? Uh, like for today and tomorrow, I am not having a proper writer pad because someone destroyed it. So we will have to manage with the bad handwriting for today. Anyways, guys, what you can do for the first query, you can run a for loop, right? You can run a for loop from L to R, and you can add all the ones. For this second query also, you can run a for loop from L to R. For the this query also, you can run a for loop from L to R. Similarly, L to R and L2R. You can run a for loop. Guys, how large can be the for loop running from L to R? L can be 1 in worst case and R can be n. So it can take O of n time. One query can take O of n time. So each query can in worst case take O of n time. This can also take O of n time. So all the queries can take O of n time. So one query is taking O of n times. How much time will Q queries take? What will be the total time taken if we do like this? Can anyone tell in the chat what will be the total time taken? And be quick, guys. Be quick. Then we will write the brute force. O of n into q. Guys, I hope everyone understood why it is O of n into q. Thank you. Great. Great going. O of n into q. Great. Now, guys, as a formality process, we need to write the brute force code. So everyone, guys, be super helping to me and let's get it done very quickly. We don't have much time. So all the C++, Java, Python codes will be uploaded, but for now, let's only focus on the pseudo code. What is n? N is nothing but size of the array. Good. What is then? I'm declaring what b. B of n is what? Let's say I'm using one based indexing, right? So let's write b of n plus one. It is nothing but array b. Done. Great. Now, like the array is filled with zeros, right? Filled with zeros. So b is something like this, huh? Zero, 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 like till n. Till the nth index, okay? Till the nth index. Okay, guys, we have this b array with us. Now what to do? Now what to do? You are given some queries, right? So what you can do is you read q. Q is nothing but the number of queries. Number of queries. Great, nice. Now what can you do? You can start iterating from one, and you can read all the queries. Let's be quick here, guys, because this is super easy. We should not be spending much time here. I plus plus, and that's it. Not I plus plus, I equal to I plus 1. I don't want to offend the Python guys. Great. So, guys, now what will you do? You will be reading. Read L and read R. Read L, read R. Now what will you do? You'll run a loop, for loop, or you can even run a while loop if you want. Index, you will run it from L to R, right? So while index is less than equal to R, while index is less than equal to R, uh, index equal to index plus 1. Like, you are pro batch students, I should not even be writing this simple stuff, but still, no worries. Guys, what will you do? You have to add 1 now. So b of index is equal to b of index plus 1. So, guys, see, I'm going to each query, I'm reading L to R, and this can take in worst case O of n time. So this is taking O of n time. and we are doing this for q time, so it will take total will be O of n into Q. This much mathematics your first standard teacher might have taught you. If she did not teach you, please go and complain her and ask for refund to her. Anyways, coming back, because sometimes people even ask me this thing कि भैया यहाँ पर O of n चल रहा है और ये Q चल रहा है तो n into Q कैसे हुआ? It really frustrates me. Okay, guys, never ask that question again. Anyways, if you don't understand, I'll explain you in one-to-one session. So guys, the thing is simple. It is very easy. You are reading all the Q queries L and R, then you are going from L till R and you are adding 1 to each index. B of index equal to B of index plus 1, and then once all that is done, you are printing the B array. Printing the B array. Okay guys, that's it. This is the pseudocode for today. And O of n into Q. Yeah. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if the concept and the code and the solution is clear till here. Everyone write yes. Be quick, be quick, be quick, everyone. Even the June batch students, I want yes from you. June batch students, start writing yes. Every June batch student start writing yes. Very good. Nice. So guys, now you know I need to go to ID on so that I have the link. I will be posting the actual C++ Java Python codes, but for now, we should be having the link to the pseudo codes, right? So let's get it done quick. Good, good, good. Now it's done. Now. So, guys, all the formality has been done. Now, let's discuss the main solution. Guys, it is taking O of n into Q and it's not good. It's not good for health. Okay. You should not take this much time to solve this problem. Okay. So, we can use a prefix of concept and it will be very, very easy. Okay. I am so much delighted to see that for the first time 45 people have opened my Google document. Generally, people don't pay that much attention. If you guys were opening all my Google documents of all my course and everything, you would be having a 40-50 LPA package by now. So always open all of my documents, all of my videos, and all of my courses. Don't be lazy. When I go and check, see, say we had a May course, right? So let me go to May course, May DS 2023. Let's open it. Let's see what's happening. 3 4 5 6 7 8 only 8 people have opened this document. What are rest of the people doing? मैं कभी भी मुझे पता चल सकता है कितने बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं. अगर कम बच्चे पढ़ते हुए दिखे तो मैं ग्रुप में आके एक एक को डांट पड़ेगी. Anyways, going back to the session. So guys, now let's focus on the efficient stuff. Okay, efficient stuff. It is very much important to discuss the efficient stuff. So guys, now let's think what trick you can use. This is a trick. Unless a person teaches you this trick, you will not know what to do. Okay, so people call it difference array trick. I actually learned this trick 4 years ago when I was solving a code chef long problem, and this really blowed my mind. Okay, so guys, try to observe the L and R very clearly. Okay, now you have an array like this, right? They are telling you, what are they telling you? They are telling you that they want one from L till R. They want all the ones from here to here, right? Let me use this. They want all the ones in this place, right? But my proposition is that you don't need to write all the ones here in the, you don't need to write one here all at all the places to get all the ones in the places which you don't want. Okay, you can do a trick. Okay, whenever you get a L and whenever you get a R, you write only, see, rest all the numbers are zero, right? All are zero, right? You just write a 1 here and you write a -1 at R plus 1 position. Write a -1 at R plus 1 position. I have never seen anyone on YouTube discussing this trick. I don't know why. Anyways, that's why you guys have come here. So guys, what we will do, when you see a L, you write a 1 here, and you see a R, you write a -1 here. It only takes O of 1 time to do this. You are only changing two elements, this and this, per query. So O of 2, O of 1, whatever you want to say, you can say. So this trick will work, and I want now once this is done, what you can do, I will explain. So guys, now let's do it with our normal algorithm. Okay, now let's solve this problem with our normal algorithm first. Say we are given an array like this. Okay, we are given an array like this. Okay, clear? And the indices are like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, okay. Now the first query is what? L equal to 1, sorry, L equal to 5 and R equal to 7. This is the first query. And the second query is L equal to 8. No, no, not L equal to 8, L equal to 10 and R equal to 11. Okay, guys. Guys, if you use the normal algorithm, can anyone tell me in the chat what will be the final output for this? Guys. This is it. You are given this array. You are given this array. And yeah, L is 5, R is 7 for the first query, and L is 10 and R is 11 for the second query. Give me the final array. Be quick, guys. Be quick. Write in the chat. Guys, no one has written in the chat, guys. Subramaniam, June batch. Correct, Sid. Correct. This is how our final array would look like, right? All zeros, a little bit of ones, then zeros, then ones. June batch students, you also write, please. How will the final array look? This is the array given to you. I don't want this. Turn off all notifications. Yes. This is the array given to us, empty array, all zeros. First query is L5 R7, second query is L10 R11. I'm saying after doing these two queries, how will the array look? Correct, Dikshit. Correct. Tejusko, where are you? Everyone write the answer. Subramaniam, where are you? Write answer in the chat. Okay, everyone understood. Now, guys, let's use our trick. What was the trick? Trick is that at L equal to 5, you write a 1. And at R equal to 7, na, just go one index ahead and write a -1. Okay. At L equal to 10, you write a 1. And say at L equal to 12, just create a hypothetical extra space. Okay. Write a -1 here. Okay, guys. Clear? Now I want you to do prefix sum of this array. Start adding the elements of this array to each other and see how the final array will look like. Okay, guys. How will the final array look like? Okay. This is a common concept. Just imagine that you had a 1 here, okay, and you had a 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, -1 here, then again zeros have started coming, okay, like this. Okay, so guys, if you start writing the sum of all the numbers now, then you will come to know what happens. What is the sum of numbers still here? It is 1. What is the sum of numbers still here? 1 plus 0, it is 1. What is the sum of numbers still here? It is 1. What is the sum of numbers still here? It is 1. What is the sum of numbers still here? It is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0. So guys, see, we are able to bring all the ones on the track. So it means if you do this trick and then finally you do the prefix sum of the array, you will get the ones where you wanted. Got it, guys? Got it? I will again try to explain it in a simple manner. Okay. So what we do is, what trick. What is the trick? Trick is we set b of L equal to 1 and b of R equal to -1 for all the queries. Once all of that is done, we run prefix sum algorithm. On B array. Guys, I want to visually explain why this trick is working. Okay, now. For example, let's say my array looks like this. My array was something like this. Okay, and the question was what? What was the question? Question was that this is L, this is R, and add all the ones. So add all the ones from L to R. So how would it look, guys? How would it look? How would it look, guys? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let me use the red one. So guys, here there would be a 0. Here there would be a 0. Here there would be a 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. But now if you use my trick of setting +1 -1, how will the array look? How will the array look if you just do +1 -1? How will the array look? Whoever writes in the chat how will the array look after doing +1 -1 will get 50 rupees at night by me in GPay. So be quick, guys. Okay. So at the L position you write 1, and at the R plus 1 position you write -1. Okay. And rest of all the places they will be just zeros. Okay. They will be zeros, 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 zeros. Now guys, use common sense in coding. Now you are doing prefix sum. Prefix sums means what? If you have watched the prerequisite, I gave two hashing sessions as a prerequisite, you would know what is the prefix sum. It means you're trying to add all the elements of the array from the starting index. This much, this much, this much. So what will happen? 1 is here, but 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 will automatically come here. Then 1 plus 0 again 1, so 1 will automatically come here. 1 plus 0 automatically 1 will come here. Then to stop this movement of ones, you write a -1. 1 minus 1 0. From again this point it will start getting 0. So if you do the prefix sum, okay, let's do the prefix sum of this array. Prefix sum means what? The sum of all the elements. Prefix sum means what? Prefix sum. We will create a prefix sum of prefix sum I. Prefix sum I is what? Sum of all numbers from index 1 to I. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it. That's it. So, guys, anyways. So, guys, this is our array, right? 0, 0, 1, then 0, then 0, then 0, then -1, then my 0, and then one more 0. Okay, this is how it's looking, right? Okay, now guys, what will be the prefix sum? What will be the prefix sum of the first element? 0. What will be the prefix sum of the, what is the meaning of prefix sum of second element? Means the sum of these two numbers. What is the sum of these two numbers? 0. What is the sum of the first three numbers? 1. What is the sum of the first four numbers? 1. See now how the ones are coming very wanted. What is the sum of these numbers? 1. What is the sum of all these numbers? 1. Now you need to stop the 1 from L to R. So you write a -1. You use the common sense. So it will come as 0 because 1 and -1 sum will be 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And the final array looks exactly like you wanted, guys. You wanted all ones here, right? See, the final array looks just like that. Okay. I think I did a mistake in writing the positions. There were three zeros here. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no worries. Guys, 1 0 was not there. Huh? You need to cut it out. There are only two places, na? Two zeros and then a -1. So, okay, we can start writing 0 from here. Good, good, good. And this will be 0 and this will be -1. That's it, guys. So, I hope most of the people are now clear. At L position, you put a 1. At R position, R plus 1 position, you put a -1. Then you do the prefix sum, you will get this array. But what is the benefit? You can do this for multiple queries. Okay, now you can do this for multiple queries. There can be multiple queries, guys, right? Some L to R can be from here. Some L to R can be from here. There can be different L to R's, right, guys? So you always do +1, -1, +1, -1. Then you do the prefix sum and you get the final array. Prefix sum, for prefix sum, you only need to go to the array one time. So it will take O of n time. And for each of the queries, you are doing nothing. You are just changing two values in the array. So it will take only O of Q into one time. O of Q time. So total time will be O of Q plus O of n. Guys, did most of the people understand the trick and enjoyed? Start writing yes in the chat. If you understood what trick, June batch people start writing yes. I want June batch people to start writing yes. Tijusko, where are you? Start writing yes. Waiting for your yes. I want yes from all the people. Yes, Tiju also wrote. And where is Manish? Manish, you also write yes. Okay. Great, great, great. Yeah, yeah, we will take care of that, Ansh. We will take care of that. Thank you guys for the emojis. I like it. Thank you. So, guys, now I want everyone to understand the stuff now I'm going to say. Okay, now, guys, let's optimize this code. Okay, so now what to do? Don't do anything. Enjoy your life. Cut this. Cut this. Okay, and this array I will make of n plus 5 size, so I don't face any array out of bound issues. Guys, tell me what to write on line number 12 of this code. Whoever tells me will get 500 rupees GPay at night. Whoever tells me first. 12वें लाइन पे क्या लिखूं मैं अभी? ये अभी नया वर्जन ऑफ कोड लिख रहा है एफिशिएंट वाला. बताओ क्या लिखूं? एग्जैक्ट बताओ, एग्जैक्ट जो मेरा एरे है वही यूज करनी है तो ही पैसा मिलेगा. लेट्स सी हु राइट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. B of L, Yash will get the money. Yash will get the money. Congratulations. It is not B of L equal to 1. तुमको B of L equal to B of L plus 1 लिखना पड़ेगा. उसका भी मैं मीनिंग समझाता हूं बाद में, ठीक है ना? B of L equal to B of L plus 1. This is a very important range update trick, huh? And B of R plus 1 is equal to B of R plus 1 minus 1. ये मैं समझाता हूँ गाइस, समझाता हूँ. Calm down, calm down. समझाता हूँ मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया. समझो कि भाई तुमको ऐसा दिया था, ठीक है ना? ठीक है. You are given like this, guys. Okay, so blue color. This is L, this is R. You had two queries on the same index. First L to R is also making one from here to here. Then the second L to R is also this. So how will the array look? It will look like this na, 0 0 2 2 2 2 0 0. तो तुम ही सोचो, इसमें बार बार वन सेट करके काम थोड़ी चलेगा, तुमको ऐड भी करना पड़ेगा. से दिस इज L and this is R, right? So when the first query comes, you write a 1 here and you write a minus 1 here. When the second query, same to same query comes again, you will add 1 here. So it will look like this. You write a 2 here and you write a minus 2 here. Okay. Now, अब तुम ही सोचो, यहाँ पर 2 लिखा है और यहाँ पर minus 2 लिखा है. यहाँ पर 0 है, यहाँ पर 0 है. Here it is 0, here it is 0 0 0, like this. Now guys, tell me, what will be the prefix sum? 0 2 2 2 2 minus 2 0 0 0 0. Congratulations, कर दिया जो चाहते थे अपन. इसलिए मैं ये नहीं लिख रहा B of L equal to 1. I am writing B of L equal to B of L plus 1 because the same index can come in multiple queries na. So we need to add all those numbers or subtract all those numbers so it goes efficiently. Okay guys, how much time it will take? It takes only O of one time. O of one time. So how much time this full loop will take? O of q time. Now I am going to do, I am going to run the prefix sum algorithm. Prefix sum algorithm. Prefix sum algorithm. What is the prefix sum algorithm? Okay. Yeah. 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 My students are so good. They are writing even without asking. Love you all. So guys, now tell me the prefix sum algorithm in the chat, guys. What should I write in the prefix sum algorithm? Someone tell me. The June batch students. Tell me. Sorry. Where is the prefix? Yeah. So now I will run a loop. I equal to 1 while I less than equal to n. Now tell me what to write, guys, inside. I have to calculate the prefix sum of all the elements of array B. So I equal to I plus 1. Okay guys, so now what? B of I is nothing but, let's see what people are saying. Correct. Good, Rishi, great. Yeah, B of I, yeah, correct. Everyone correct. So B of I is B of I minus 1. You can store it in other array also, but you can do this trick na. Same array में you just add all those numbers na. B of I will always be what? Sum of the previous number plus the current number. Job done. For example, in this algorithm, 0 0 2 0 minus 2 0 0. Now let's run this algorithm. B of I equal to B of I minus 1 plus B of I. So this is the first number, it will stay same as it is. B of I is this number plus the previous number. 2 plus 0 कितना होता है? 2. B of I is sum of this number and the sum you got till now. 2 plus 0 कितना होता है? 2. B of I is the sum of this number and the sum you got till now. 2 minus 2 0. B of I is the sum of this number and the sum you got till now. 0 plus 0 0. Guys, you understood the code I wrote, right? Start writing yes in the chat. Everyone start writing yes in the chat if it's clear to them. Guys, be quick. Good. So you guys now understand the trick, right? I equal to 1, you write this, and your job is done. So guys, that's it. Print B and your job is done. I'm quickly going to ID on and okay guys, no worries. We'll go to ID on later. I will be posting this pseudo code in some time there. Don't worry. For now, guys, I wanted to discuss that I already have this C++ Java codes for it. Okay, now this is the C++ code. See, I did the same thing here. Okay, now this is the Java code. Okay, this is the Java code. Same thing is done. Same thing. Plus one, minus one, and then printing. And this is the Python code. I'm pasting all these codes there, and later I will propose the pseudo code also. This is the Python code. Algorithm is totally same, only a little bit syntax is different. So I'm taking all this stuff, going to paste it in our Google Girl Hackathon document. Okay, now. So guys, time complexity will be O of n plus q. O of n plus q. Okay, great, nice, loved it. Okay, so the thing is now everything is fine, going nice, good, great. So I want all of it to be in Comic Sans and good. Uh, okay, guys. So if this is very much efficient, why multiplication of two numbers is always greater than addition of two numbers? If n and q were general 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5, it would take total 10 raised to 10 time. And now we are doing one only in 10 raised to 5 plus 10 raised to 5, which is 2 into 10 raised to 5. अरे मॉम डैड ने बचपन में सिखाया होगा ना, बताता हूँ रुको. अगर भाई दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना तो जनरली वो बहुत बड़ा होता है उनके एडिशन से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल समझो कि एन था भाई 5, एन वॉज 500 एंड क्यू वॉज ऑल्सो 500. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? TCS निंजा मंथली सैलरी 25,000 rupees. Okay, see, if you multiply n and q you get TCS ninja salary. Okay, and if you just add n and q, what kind of salary will you get? Let's imagine 500 plus 500, only 1,000 rupees. See how much efficient it is. In this case, it is 25 times efficient if you run the algorithm in n plus q time. 1,000 rupees salary. बर्तन धोने वाला. समझ गए? That's the difference of n into q plus n plus versus n plus q. Guys, clear to everyone? Start writing yes in the chat. Start writing. Yeah, thank you, Noel. Thank you, Karandeep. Yeah. Noel will explain you like me. Yeah. So, guys, now comes the time for Google Girl Hackathon. If everyone is ready, start writing yes in the chat, guys. Now, Google Girl Hackathon problem. I want June batch also to write in the chat. Yeah. Shubhram, Dikshit. Yeah. Good. So, guys, now where is Google Girl Hackathon? Now, guys, let's do promotion of our website, Desi Q&A. Always go in this website, and click on ads. It will improve your coding skills, and you will get a good job. Always do that. Now, anyways, guys, this was the question. That's it, and I'm pasting the link in the chat. And you guys, sorry, I'm pasting the link everywhere basically. In the chat also, I am pasting. Yeah, thank you, Akash. So, guys, in the chat also, and in this Google Girl Hackathon, this is, guys, this is the link I have posted here, guys. Okay. So, guys, everyone start opening. I'm giving 1 minute to read to everyone. ठीक है? चलो एक एक मिनट सब लोग अपना मजा कर लो. चलो एक दो मिनट सब लोग बैठ के पढ़ो. When you read this problem, you will understand this is the same as the previous question. Google just asked a nice variation of it. Guys, एक दो मिनट खुद से पढ़ो, खुद का भी स्किल डेवलप करो सोचने का. पढ़ो पढ़ो सब पढ़ो. तब तक मैं चिल मारता हूँ. या थैंक यू. Okay, guys. Our Didi is so cute. She always, she always messages me when my session is going on. I don't know why. Anyways, guys, has everybody read the question? Start writing us in the chat and be super quick. You might have realized that it is exactly same as what we discussed right now, guys. Until 50 people write yes, I will not go ahead. So keep writing yes. Yes, seems like most of the people have read it. So now let's guys go back to the question. In the actual recording, I will cut this between 5-10 minute rest part. Okay. Anyways, what is the question saying? Let's focus on that. You are given an array of n elements and an integer k. For each I from 1 to n, perform the following operations exactly one time. You can replace any a of I by a of I plus x, where x should be belonging from minus k to plus k, which denotes that x should be in the range of minus k to plus k. Determine the maximum length of the subsequence of an array such that all the numbers in the subsequence are equal after applying the given operation. Great, nice problem. We don't know the exact constraints. So for this today's session, let's discuss some easy constraints. Okay. Let's assume all obviously I will not going to keep n smaller. It is 10 raised to 5, the maximum it could be. Today, guys, we will discuss the version 1 of the problem. Tomorrow we will discuss the version 2 of the problem, which will have very hard constraints. So we will get to learn multiple concepts if we try to do in this manner. Let's say our n is less than equal to 10 raised to 5. Let's say our k, let's say the k, whatever k we have, it is less than equal to 10 raised to 5. Okay, 10 raised to 5 and greater than equal to 1 basically. Also, whatever, not minus k. If I write a minus k, I will have to write minus here also, but it doesn't make sense. So guys, our k is from 1 to 10 raised to 5. And what is our a of I? A of I, let's say it is always greater than equal to k plus 1. Okay, now it is always greater than equal to k plus 1. This basically means that if you subtract a k from an array A or any number of array A, it will still be greater than equal to 1 because all the numbers are greater than equal to k plus 1. Okay, guys, that's it. And apart from that, let me check some more stuff here. Yeah. So A of I should be like greater than and less than equal to 10 raised to 5. Let's write it like this. Na? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These are the constraints for now. We are saying that n will be from 1 to 10 raised to 5, k will be from 1 to 10 raised to 5, and a of I will be less than equal to 10 raised to 5 but greater than equal to k plus 1. Guys, if the constraints are clear to everyone start writing yes in the chat, then we will discuss the understanding of the question in detail. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. I have taken these constraints because I have a particular motive in my mind. I will discuss the harder constraints tomorrow. For now, this is enough. Okay. Good, good, good. Everyone start writing yes in the chat. So guys, now go. Let's go forward to the explanation of the question. Acha, these were the original constraints. Okay, but I have harder constraints also, and I don't want to spoil it by discussing now. So we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. So guys, this is it. Now, the thing is, what is the question saying? ये तो किसने बोला ही नहीं. क्या बोल रहा है question? Question is saying you are given an array, you are given an array of size n, you are given an array of size n. Okay, now you are given an array of size n. You in one operation you can change any a of I to either, you can change it to a of I to a of I plus x. You can do these operations max only one time on each index, only one time on each index. Also, x should lie in, guys, the range of x should be from minus k to plus k. Okay, now. So this is the question. The question is saying that you are given an array of size n. In one operation, you can change any a of I to a of I plus x. You can do these operations only one time on each index of the array. Also, x should be in the range minus k to plus k. After doing all these operations, pick up the largest possible set of equal numbers. Largest possible set of equal numbers. For example, let's discuss a simple. Yeah, thank you, Akshita. Anyways, guys, let's discuss a simple example here. Huh? Guys. Our array is of size 3, and the first element is 3, then it is 5. Okay, I don't like this. First element is 5, then it is 8, and then it is 10. K is 2, means you can add or subtract maximum 2 from here, 2 from here, 2 from here. Guys, tell me, what should be the final array such that there are maximum number of equal elements? Guys, can you start writing the answer in the chat? What should be the final array in this case such that there are maximum number of equal elements? There can be multiple answers, so no worries. Start writing in the chat. 5, 10, 10. Some guys saying 5, 10, 10. Is it correct? So you add a 0 to 5. Yeah, it is valid. You can write add a 0 to 5. You can add 2 to 8. Because see, you can add any number from minus 2 to plus 2. Okay, na, because k is 2. So you add a 0 to 5, you add a 2 to 8, it looks like this. You add a 0 to 10, so it looks like this. 5, 10, 10. Answer is 2 because there are two equal numbers. You have to maximize the number of equal numbers. Guys, is there any other way possible for 5 and 10 such that maximum number becomes equal? What you can do, your k is 2. K is 2 का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning? It means you can use any number from minus 2 to plus 2. You can use any of these numbers and add them to 5, 8, 10 such that most of these values become equal. Someone is saying 5, 8, 8. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. You add a 0 here. You add a 0 here. You do minus 2 here. It becomes 5, 8, 8. And 8, 8 are the two same numbers. Someone is saying 8, 8. Guys. Arpit is saying triple eight. Everyone start writing in the chat if it is correct or wrong. Arpit is saying triple eight. Guys, is triple eight possible? Guys, is triple eight possible? K is 2. Guys, I want a proper explanation in the chat. अर्पित इज सेइंग कि हम ट्रिपल एट बना सकते हैं. क्या यह सच है? क्या तुम सच्ची में ट्रिपल एट बना सकते हो कि झूठ बोला जा रहा है? K is 2. Can you make a triple eight? No, guys. If you have to make triple eight, you will have to add 3. Adding 3 is not allowed. You cannot add a number greater than k. Remember the constraint, Arpit. K is 2. You can only use numbers from minus 2 to plus 2. You are using here a number bigger than 2 plus 3. Not allowed. I never go ahead in the question explanation until and unless the understanding of the question is clear to 100% of the students, according to me. So, guys, or I feel like it that I should go ahead. So, guys, this is wrong. Yeah. Arpit, is it clear? Write yes in the chat, Arpit. I want yes from Arpit now. Arpit, write yes. Okay. So, this is not possible. Guys, any other possibility? Tell me. 5, 8, 10. Guys, tell me if any other possibility. Tell me. Any other arrangement you guys want to do? I would say that you can make 7, 7, 8 also. You can reduce 2 from here, reduce 1 from here, and reduce 2 from here. 7, 7, 8. Here also these two elements are same, so the answer is 2. But guys, the answer for this problem will always be 2 because you can make at max only 2 elements same. Clear, guys? 6, 10, 10. Yes, Rito, you are correct. Anyways, guys, now let's discuss it in our solution. So if the array given to you was this 5, 5, 5, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Say the array given to you was 5, 8, and 10. Then what you can do, and k is given to you as 2. So what you can do is you can make it as 5, 8, 8. Two numbers are equal. Two numbers are equal. How did it happen, guys? This happened because you did 5 plus 0 here. This happened because you did 8 plus 0 here. This happened because you did 10 minus 2 here. Basically, you can add a number which is in the range from minus k to plus k. Minus 2 to plus 2 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. If you don't know what is the meaning of the range, please guys contact your 5th standard teacher and ask her for a refund. She did not teach you basic maths properly. Anyways, going back. So 5 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 10 minus 2. So two numbers are equal, which is maximum possible, which is maximum possible. Hence answer is 2. Guys, now I want to discuss a final case with you, and that is I want everyone to answer quickly. 5, 8, 10. K is 3. Guys, start writing the answer in the chat. This is interesting. How many numbers you can make equal? How many numbers you can make equal if the numbers are same but the k is 3 now? 5, 8, 10. And the k is 3, guys. K is 3. Think. K is 3, guys. K is 3. K is 3, guys. K is 3. You can now add and subtract numbers from minus 3 till minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You can use these numbers to add and subtract from minus 3 to plus 3. What new array you can make such that maximum numbers are equal? Let's say what people are writing. If you do this, you'll crack Google Girl Hackathon and then you will get 60 LPA Google offer if you pass the interview. Anyways, let me check. Nah, 8, 11, 11 is good, Rito, but it is not the best answer. Rito, you can make all the three numbers same. Correct, Tiju. Correct. Arpit, Tiju, Priyanshi, correct. Others also start writing in the chat. Good going. So guys, you can make all the three numbers equal, na? Add a plus 2 here, it will become 7. Subtract a 1 here, it will become 7. Subtract a 3 here, it will also become 7. Or you can make all three 8. Add a plus 3 here, add a plus 0 here, and subtract a 2 here. So that's it, guys. That's it. Hope you all understood that the answer for this is 3. Rito's answer was also correct, but in Rito's answer 8, 11, 11, only two numbers are equal. We want the maximum number of equal numbers. That's what Google is asking for. Great, nice. Now, guys, in this case, what you can do is you can make this an 8 by doing 5 plus 3. You can keep this as 8 by doing 8 plus 0. And you can make this an 8 by doing 10 minus 2. All three numbers become equal, which is the maximum possible. Sorry for the long session, guys. I hope you understand why it is long, because I don't know na, the other person can be a full beginner or he can be a medium guy or a pro guy. I always have to explain thinking in such a way that the other person doesn't know anything. That's why I'm explaining so much. नहीं तो मैंने 5 मिनट में ही पूरा सेशन खत्म कर देना था. Anyways, if you were in ultra pro batch, I would do this problem only in 15 minutes, not more than that. Anyways, guys, so all three numbers become equal, which is maximum possible. Great. Nice. Guys, the understanding of the problem is clear to everyone. Everyone start writing yes in the chat till I'm eating my watermelon. Guys, everyone start writing yes. Visualization. Guys, let's do the visualization. Okay. Right. Guys, now we need to do the visualization. Visualization. Okay. So, guys, now the thing is, See, guys, in this life, you had some numbers, right? So numbers look like this: 5, 8, 10. Those guys come and give you a range of k. Say k is 3. K is what, guys? 3. So, guys, what all numbers you can generate if the k is 3 and the number is 5? What will be those numbers? Can anyone tell me in the chat? If the number is 5 and k is 3, what are the different numbers you can generate? Everyone start writing in the chat. Be quick. Be quick, guys. Be quick. Yes, Sid, सब कुछ मिलता है. पहले ही तो मैंने बोला था ग्रुप डिस्क्रिप्शन में. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, correct. Means you can add. What will be the maximum number, guys, if you use k equal to 3? You can get an 8. And if you do 5 minus 3, you can get a 2. So you can get all the numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, can anyone tell me what will be all the numbers if I'm using 8? What will be all the numbers if I'm using 8, guys? Can you tell me? Yes, 5 to 11. Na? It is common sense. 8 minus 3, the lowest number will be 5 and all the numbers still 11. Guys, can you tell me what will be all the numbers possible if I'm using all the numbers from like 10 is there and you're using k equal to 3? The maximum numbers possible will be till 13, then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7 and 7. Okay, guys, and 7. Okay, correct. Now, guys, let's visualize it much better. If you are at index 5, you can go from 2 to 7. अब बस कल आ जाएगा मेरा मस्त अच्छा महंगा वाला राइटर पैड, फिर देखो और मजे आएंगे. एनीवेज, द करंट वन गॉट सम इश्यूज. 8, if it is 8, we will go from 5 to 11. Guys, visualize this, please. Please visualize. Yes. If it is 10, always remember, whenever you are solving a coding problem, na, use pen and paper. Visualization is very important. In our mind, we are not able to do that much, but when we are able to see the objects in front of our eyes, our mind is able to analyze in a better manner. If it is a 10, then 7 to 13. Okay, na, it means all the numbers from 2 to 7 can come, all the numbers from 5 to 11 can come, and all the numbers from 7 to 13 can come. Guys, this is it. What if you create a very large empty array? Large empty array. Large, large, super large. Okay. Index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, index 8. अब भाई मुझे मत, बस समझ गया, ठीक है. हाँ, इतना भी बच्चे नहीं हो ना, ठीक है. Good, good. Guys, what if in this range, these are the possibilities? Na, write one, add one to all the possibilities. So numbers can be from 2 to 7, na? So write a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What can be the possibilities? 5 to 11. So add 1 from 5 to 11. 2, 2. This basically tells you how many times 6 can comes in the largest set. Okay na? 2, 2. कब तक चलेगा भाई? अरे मैं अपना पूछ रहा हूँ. 5 to 11 ना. So this is still 7 ना. Okay. 5. अच्छा, this is still 8, guys. This is still 8, huh? 5 minus 3 2, 5 plus 3 8. Then 8 minus 3 5, and 8 plus 3 11. 10 minus 3, yeah. So guys, from 2 to 8 you have added the ones, right? And now you will be adding the ones from 5 to 11. So how will it look? Add a 1 again here, it will become 2, it will become 2, it will become 2, it will become 2. And also the future numbers will also, from here na, 9, 10, 11, it will look like 1. Why, guys? Because only one range is coming here. Now if you add all the possibilities, means the numbers can be from 7 to 13 na, so add 1 from 7 to 13. How will it look, guys, if you add 1 from 7 to 13? This will become 3, this will become 3, this will become 2 2 2. So guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How much is this much array looking like? The numbers are looking like this na. First four numbers are 1, then 2 2, then 3 3. So 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. So guys, once you get the prefix array, the maximum number is the answer. This is basically tell you how many times 7 can come. Got the trick, guys? You see, Google asked such a smart question. You had to convert this into this concept. See, they are saying for the first number, what are the possibility, guys? It can come from 2 to 8, it can come from 2 to 8. Okay, so I'm saying whenever it can come from 2 to 8 na, so write all those possibilities, display those possibilities in a visualizing manner in an array. Write at 1 at all the places from 2 to 8, then write 1 at all the places from 5 to 11, then write 1 at all the places from 7 to 13. I hope you got the eureka moment what is happening here. All the possibilities, if you write in the array, the largest number of the array will be your answer, and your job is done. You will also be knowing what is that number which will give you the equal answer. Guys, interested? Asif, June batch ka hu. Thank you, Asif, thank you. We can use only one possibility na, but what in the approach there is a chance that we can use. Karandeep, क्या बोल रहे हो? थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो. Anyways, thank you, Asif, thank you so much. Guys, see, so the thing is, now you need to realize what is happening in your life. लोगों ने तुमको बहुत चोमू बनाया. अब ध्यान से सुनो क्या करना है. समझो तुम्हारे पास 5 है और भाई तुम्हारे पास 8 है. के की वैल्यू दी गई है 3. के की वैल्यू क्या दी है भाई? 3 दिया है, 3 दिया है. ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है ऑल द नंबर्स कैन कम फ्रॉम 2 टू 8 here, and all the numbers from 5 to 11 can come from here. तो मैं बस इतना बोल रहा हूँ कि you know ना that the for the first number the possibilities are from 2 to 8, for the second number possibilities are from 5 to 11. So why not write those possibilities in an another array? I create an empty array. Okay, I create an empty array of zeros. Okay, I create an empty array of 0. Let's say this is index number 2. So from 2 to 8 now I write a 1. This represents that this number can come in the final answer. Okay, 2 to 8 I write a 1. 3 4 5 6 7 and this is 8. I write a 1. Also from 5 to 11 also possibility is there, so I write a 1 from 5 to 11. If there is already a number, means double possibility can come. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 at the ninth index, 1 at the 10th index, and 1 at the 11th index. How will the final array look? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 2, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. It means all these numbers can come 2 times. Congratulations. यही तो बोला था क्वेश्चन ने ढूंढने के लिए. अगर तुम हर नंबर का प्लस में के से माइनस के तक कर सकते हो तो कितना मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटी आता है. तो तुमने फैला के सबको एक एरे में डाल दिया और अब जितनी बार आ रहा है ऊपर ऐड होते जा रहा है. हो गया आंसर, डन. No Rishi, no n into k needed. Use your mind, guys. Use your mind. What will be the time complexity? अरे भाई सेम टू सेम पुराने क्वेश्चन जैसा ही तो है. एक बार रेंज बना लो तो n प्लस क्यू में खत्म हो जाएगा. खत्म खत्म. ओके ना. n plus q. Last time we had q queries. This time how many queries will we have, guys? Can anyone use their mind and tell me in the chat how many? What will be the value of q in this question, guys? Wrong, Rishi. Wrong. You have to create a L and R range for each number of the array. If the array is like this, 4 and then phi. So k, you have to do a plus k minus k here. So L से R will come for this. L से R will come for this number also. This, there are total n queries this time. You have to create the queries yourself, guys. Guys, is it clear to everyone that there are n queries this time? Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Everyone. Guys, I think we should now start writing the code so things become a little bit clearer to most people. So don't worry, the actual C++ Java Python codes will be uploaded. That should not matter if you're a pro batch student. Guys, now let's get serious. Okay, let's get real serious here. Now, what to do? What to do? So you are given an array A, right? You're given an array A. Array A. And also, guys, there is one good thing. The good thing is that we said that A of I is always greater than equal to k plus 1. So even if you are subtracting k from A of I, the number will always be positive. माइनस नहीं होगा, माइनस होता तो हार्ड हो जाता, क्योंकि हमने ये क्वेश्चन किसके लिए सॉल्व किया है, उस एरे के लिए सॉल्व किया जिसका इंडेक्स 1 से चालू हो रहा है. इफ योर रेंज वाज -5 to -2, फिर कैसे करते हैं? फिर यू हैड टू मेक अनदर एक्स्ट्रा एरे एंड यू हैव टू कंसीडर नेगेटिव एज पॉजिटिव नंबर्स टू मेक थिंग्स इजी. आई एम सेइंग दैट लेट्स द कंस्ट्रेंट्स बी a of I is always greater than equal to k plus 1. In tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss harder constraint where any value can be as large as and as small as possible. Okay. Yeah. So guys, now let's write the code. Yeah, I hope you all are enjoying. Good, good, good. Great emojis, Raj. Great. Like it. Increase motivation. So guys, now what is the question? Everyone focus. What is the input output? क्या करना है पहले? Array B को read करना है and then what to do, guys? K. Okay. So guys, now everyone help me in the code. N plus 1. Okay, I took an array n plus 1. I'm not reading the array again. This much knowledge you have. Okay, array A. Using one based indexing. Okay, guys, this k is the integer given to us. Okay, now what to do, guys? What to do? Life is easy, just chill out. What to do? Let's take a very large size array B. Na? Let's take it as just for safety purpose. Okay, I create a large array B. Now, guys, what to do? I don't know the number of queries. Na? Number of queries is this time. Number of queries is this time what? It is equal to n. Okay, na? So okay. So guys, what will be L and what will be R? Can anyone tell me in the chat? We'll get the money tonight. What will be the L? Tell me, guys. Write in the chat. It will be what? Arrays A. Na. Write clearly, guys. In this code, what will be the value of L? Write in the chat. In this code, I am going through each element of the array. What will be the value of L? Array is A. Array is A. So for each index, what will be the value of L? A of I minus k. Subramaniam, you deserve everything. Guys, it will be A of I minus k, na? Ith element minus k. What will be the value of R? No, giving a last chance. All write the answer. What should be the answer for R? All should write, guys. Guys, be quick. Be quick. Only Arpit has written. A of minus k plus k ही होगा ना भाई? क्या इतना सोच रहे हो? कुमार के स्टूडेंट हो. Be strong. Okay. So now, guys, A of I plus k. Okay, now you have made the ranges. In this question, you have to make the range yourself. That's the best thing. And then B of L equal. This is, guys, easy. Huh? You know this. You know this. Okay, done. Now, you have calculated the prefix sum algorithm. But you have to calculate what, guys? Guys, in this code, na, I have done everything, but something is missing. Guys, can anyone tell me what thing we forgot to find out? How to find it out? Can someone tell me in the chat? You will get money. In this code, everything is done now. It's over. Problem solved. One thing we forgot to find. What is that? Yeah, but how to find that, guys? What to do? What will be the answer? It is maximum value of all the B points. Maximum value. Clear, guys? Iterate and check. Correct. So, do I need to make another loop, guys? Do I need to make another loop to check the maximum number of B? Tell me, guys, yes or no? So, what to do, guys? कैसे करूँ? मुझे नहीं आता coding. कैसे करूँ? What to do, in what line, what to write? Guys, please help me. Your mentor does not know coding. Help him. How to find the maximum number in a given array. This was taught as the first question in the beginner batch. बताओ कैसे मैक्सिमम नंबर ढूंढते हैं, मैं ही बता देता हूँ. So you write declare an answer, write answer as 0. Okay, and answer will never be 0. At least one element you can bring ना, select any element of the array यार, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. So answer, guys, I hope you understand why I wrote answer will always be 1. Even if you are not able to make all the elements same, you can say ना, समझो समझो, बताते बताते, समझो एरे का एक एलिमेंट था 8, दूसरा है 800, तीसरा है 8000. ठीक है ना, और के की वैल्यू डाल दो 1. कुछ मैच नहीं होने वाला, कितना भी ऊपर नीचे कर लो, नथिंग विल मैच. पुट के एज 1, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, नथिंग विल मैच. So you can say na, I make all values equal to 8 and there is only one value. So answer is 1. So minimum answer, guys. Do you all realize that the minimum answer will always be 1 irrespective of the situation? Start writing us in the chat. Do you guys realize that the answer will always be at least 1? Okay, good. So that's why answer is 1. Now answer is equal to what? Max of b of I comma b of I comma answer, and in the final time complexity will be what, n plus q, and finally you print answer. That's it, guys. Did everybody understand code and time complexity, everything? Enjoyed session? Start writing yes in the chat, react with emojis. Job is now done. Job is now done. I hope everything is clear to most of the people. Job is now done. C++ 14, C++ 14. We take this here. Guys, everyone understood everything. Start writing us in the chat, emojis and stuff. React, guys. React. I'm checking. Good. Great. Enjoyed. Great. Guys, now listen. You don't need to worry. Yeah, thank you for the emoji. Thank you so much. Guys, you don't need to worry. You just need to know that for now, I am only pasting the pseudo code here. Okay, the pseudo code for this, but the C++ Java Python code for previous problem is there. For the rest of the problem, C++ Java Python will be uploaded by 12 a.m. and also the recording and everything will be uploaded in the daily DSA sheet. If you're a June batch student, I will send you in the group as well. Okay. So guys, for now, I think I should stop the recording, right? Right? Yes, in the guys, if the recording should be stopped. Someone write yes. I think I should stop the recording now. Yeah.